class. Okay, so today we're gonna do module number 62, or lesson number 62. We are gonna do potato osmosis. So what we need is we need a knife, we need a small cookie cutter. I have some small cookie cutters. We need potatoes. I have a potato. We have 2 bowls. I have several of these. And measuring tablespoon, measuring cup, and salt. So here we have a measuring cup, some tablespoons, and salt. Okay? So what we're gonna do is we're gonna slice our potatoes. As you can see, I did that. So I sliced the potato for you, and I cookie cuttered out a butterfly to stick into the salt water, and kind of a sunshine to put into our regular water. That way I can tell them apart. And now, through the magic of science, actually, hold on, first. Then, I took and I got a cup of water. Let's see here, a cup of water. And I poured it into my first dish. And then, I've got a cup of water. And I poured this one into my second dish. There we go. And then with dish 1, I took and I added a tablespoon, there we go, tablespoon of salt. There we go, tablespoon of salt. This is very, very salty water now. I'm gonna go ahead and use a clean spoon. So welcome to my kitchen class. We didn't have time to do this on Friday because some of the test takers take the full hour. So today I thought I'd send you guys some videos to get you through lesson 62 and lesson 63. So now I have salty water, it's cloudy, fresh water, it's clear. Can we see it? There it is, clear water, and potatoes. So what I did, simply enough, I just sliced 2 potato slices. And like I said, butterfly for salt water. So I'm just cutting out with my metal cookie cutter a tiny butterfly, and I put it in. See, it's in the salt water. You can barely see it because the salt water is still very cloudy, but it'll clear up a little bit. And then I'm gonna cut out a sunshine, and I'm gonna put my sunshine into my fresh water. Here we go. Sunshine in the fresh water. And then through the magic of, I started this experiment an hour ago. We fast forward 1 hour and we have our brand new potato slices, but I have 1 hour later, salt water, fresh water. Ooh, I'm making some mess. That's okay, it's my kitchen counter and not yours. So here we have the saltwater potato. And this is what our saltwater potato looks like. And this is what our freshwater potato looks like. Now, what we're gonna do is we're gonna compare our saltwater and freshwater potatoes to the holes that we punched out. So here we have our saltwater potato in its punched out hole. Now, if you look, our saltwater potato is not as big as it used to was. It kind of has an edge. See, we have gaps there. Now our freshwater potato is a little bit bigger than it used to was because it is not fitting in its hole at all. See? So my saltwater potato and my freshwater potato, they didn't do the same thing. Okay, my saltwater potato is small. Okay, now preview for tomorrow. Tomorrow we're going to do lesson 63. And here, you'll see I have an egg. That's just a little preview. Here's what you guys are gonna do. You have this video and you have the next video. One of these videos, and I don't care which, you're gonna choose to use as your lab report. Okay, so remember, our lab report is gonna be a list of materials, a question that we're asking, some kind of a title, then we're gonna go through the experiment. You're gonna write down the steps that I did. They're in the book, but you're gonna write them in your own words, and then you're gonna get some kind of a result and compare your result to your hypothesis. So here we had the potato experiment. You can choose to use this one and just pretend, write your report like you're doing it yourself and I'm just your magic hands. Or you can do our egg experiment, either one, and you're going to write me up a lab report. You have this lab report due in 2 weeks. So you have this week to do it or next week to do it. Also a reminder, if you're doing science fair, your science fair report is due on Friday. That's all I have for today. I will talk to you guys again tomorrow. Bye.